Today, we will talk about lifetime cost, meaning, example, calculation. Lifetime cost is the total estimate of expenses to own an item, such as a car or a home, over its expected useful life. It includes the initial purchase cost along with all the operating and maintenance expenses. When making major purchases, businesses calculate lifetime cost to account for all expenses, including operation and maintenance. Individual consumers can also calculate lifetime cost before buying a home, boat, automobile, or other expensive item. Lifetime cost includes debt repayments, where interest and fees can significantly increase the overall cost of an item. For example, the lifetime cost of a home can be more than twice its original purchase price due to mortgage interest and other expenses. When buying a car, it's important to consider ongoing expenses such as gas, oil changes, insurance, and maintenance costs. The lifetime cost of a vehicle takes into account all these factors, making it an important consideration for budgeting purposes. New cars can lose up to 20% of their value in the first year and continue to depreciate at 10 to 15% annually over the next 5 years. Understanding depreciation is crucial when assessing the lifetime cost of a vehicle. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The lifetime cost of an item represents its initial purchase price plus the cost of operating and maintaining it over its expected lifetime. 2. Lifetime cost is also referred to as whole life cost, life cycle cost, or total cost of ownership. 3. Lifetime costs can greatly exceed an item's purchase price, making them important to consider in the purchasing decision. 4. Opportunity cost refers to what a consumer or business might have gained by using the money for a different purpose, such as investing it. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.